Hello friends, welcome to this discussion where I want to show that 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta. So we know this identity, but what we want to do here is to show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So what we do here is we work with one side, and upon simplifying it, it should give us what is on the other side. So looking at our case here, we'll consider the left hand side, and simplifying the left hand side, the result that we should get should be equal to the right hand side. So let's get started. So this one is 1 plus cot squared theta. Okay, now we know to say cot squared, or rather cot theta, is simply the inverse of tan theta, like this. Okay, and also tan theta is simply expressed as sine theta over cos theta. So meaning that since our tan is equals to sine over cos, it will therefore give us our cot theta to be equal to the reciprocal of that, which is just cos theta over sine theta. Now here what we have is squared, so mean that if we square our cot, it gives us cos squared to be divided by sine squared. So this will be our substitution for this part. So we have 1 plus cos squared theta over sine squared theta. So we're going to express this sum as fractions like that. So where we have to write it as a single fraction, that is simply by first finding the lowest common multiple, or rather the common denominator, of which in this case is sine squared theta. Okay, so now what do? We'll now simply say that 1 into sine squared, it will give us sine squared, then multiply with 1. So this gives us sine squared theta. Then we add with sine squared into everything. We get into this denominator, it gives us sine squared, then multiply with cos squared. We therefore get cos squared theta. Now the sum of sine squared theta and cos squared theta gives us a 1. Then we divide with sine squared theta. Okay, so again we need to recall that if you have, here cosec theta is the inverse of sine. Now since this is squared, which also make our 1 to be squared, it will therefore give us our cosec squared. So 1 over sine squared theta simply give us cosec squared theta. And this is what we have on the right hand side. So since simplifying the left gives us the right hand side, it means that this identity has been proven, or we've simply shown that the left, which is 1 plus cot squared theta, is indeed equal to cosec squared theta.